got a little bit carried away. This is the inside bit I cut out. We cut and butted the other bit in there. So I've got to take this off still. That's for the spare wheel. To screw it. So I've still got to do that. And there's the inside. I'll give it a little bit of primer. The only reason is because I did get a bit carried away and put some nitromorse on to get rid of some of this old paint. So what's happened, I had a bit of a flood in the garage and left it a few days in the garage where it was wet floor. It's really gone a bit rusty. It's bare metal, which I was a bit annoyed about, but yeah, so yeah, that's what I've come up with. I'm not overly pleased with it, but it's not bad. You know, once I'm going to get some seam sealer and put in these grooves. I mean, you ain't going to really see much of it, are you? It's going to be in the bottom where the spare wheel is. I'll show you the other side. Go around here. There's the other side. All welded in. It's got a nice shape to it. So yeah, I'm happy enough with it. Once you get some underseal on that, that won't really get to notice that so much. But this bit here, I've got to still get this bit done. I've knocked some of it out. Obviously, before someone's bashed it in with a hammer. Let me see the actual. That's still caught in a bit there, but someone's bashed it in with a hammer. Obviously, this is where the exhaust goes. I think that's what's happened. So I pulled some of it out. I've got a hole there. This has still got to get this crease out. But the other side, on the other side of this bit, it's got some holes which I want to fix. So I'll probably do that next. And then I'm going to come up here and replace some metal up here, both sides, as you see down there. Oh, there you go, underneath there, let's see, there's holes, but I want to replace probably some of that panel there. Not went too bad, but I was getting there. It's going to be a bit of a mission getting that paint off, but well, more time consuming really. But we're almost there, we're almost getting the back end done, but yeah, we'll crack on with them holes on the other side and see if I can do something with this as well at the same time. Right, let's do it. So there you go, I've taken that out of there. It's quite rusty on the other side, so I decided to do the whole panel. These other little bits down there, I've got to cut that. You see the little couple of holes coming through there, look. And I'm going to put another bit in there, and then I've got to do this bit over here. But I'll do this bit first, get them all tacked in and welded in. Right, that's the end of the video. Next time I will start welding this bit up on this side, what I've just previously just done. Get it welded up nice, and then I'll come to the other side. I'm going to take a section out of this side now because it is a bit creased. Have looked at a few photos and there is a bit of an indent in there, so it ain't as bad as I thought. So I must have got most of it out. It looks pretty reasonably. So what I'm going to do is cut the section out and then I'll get a hammer and dolly on this corner, get the most of this out on this corner without sort of cutting too much away. So that's the plan next time, and thanks for coming back, thanks for comments, like and subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed already, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.